Now we are moving on with our final round that is called Read My Lips.
Okay.
Haunt माझी आवाज. Okay, ready? Okay. Alright, Read My Lips with आमचो बाप पुतुश आणि सेल्फ्रा तयार आसा?
होय.
Rules are simple. Headphones घालपाचे, loud music play जातले. So your partner has to guess. Like तुवें जर तर headphone घायला जाल्यार ते तुका एक word सांगतले. You'll have to read her lips. Ready? 30 seconds you'll get.
Sure.
Okay. Who's going first? No cheating.
नुस्ते.
Zuze.
नुस्ते. नुस्ते.
Tu.
Can I do the act?
Yeah, do it.
नुस्ते उजराय. नुस्ते.
Drive. You drive.
30 seconds you'll have.
नुस्ते. नुस्ते.
Nuste.
हाँ.
Nuste.
उजराय.
Uzrai.
Yes. Okay, all right. Okay. All right, your turn. Read. Read. Ready? Your time starts now.
मोळोब. दोवे. आसा.
Yes. ये बांध शॉटाने झाले मेरे हल्के.
I always guess his lip sync actually.
Okay, you're used to it. Man. All right, okay. All right, second one.
That's it.
All right. First read.
Good, good, Matta.
Ready?
Okay.
And your time starts now.
Gold, gold. Gold,
You have
gold.
to be soft.
Okay, sorry.
Soft.
Gold, gold. Gold, gold, Matta.
Matta.
That is right. Gold, gold.
Okot matta.
Gold, gold.
Godgoda matta.
Same thing it is. Gold matta.
म्हणलं आहे.
Ready? Read it. Ready? Your time starts now.
Drum. Doom, doom. Doom. Doom.
Say.
Doom. Doom, doom. Doom, doom, आवाज. Drum, doom, doom. आवाज. कोता.
Yes. Doom doom like this. Doop doop.
I can't hear.
Right. Okay. Ready?
How utta. Right? Okay.
Right. Okay. Your time starts now.
How utta. How utta.
How utta.
Yes. Last सारखे मिळवले तुका. All right. Take it off.
आहे पहिले. हो पेपर वाला किती पडलं माहिती का?
असं एक पॉइंट दिला तर काय चिटिंग केला. Last one, huh?
Okay.
Ready? Ready? Your time starts now.
How? Mu.